Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Shawna here, and I am back with another unboxing of Nordstrom's Trunk Club. This box is huge and heavy. I don't know if you watched my last video, but I asked for an athleisure box and I absolutely did not get it. So I asked for athleisure again this time, and again, I don't think I got it. However, we're going to see for sure. It didn't look like it to me. You'll be the judge. With Trunk Club, you get to look at everything before they send it, and you can remove things if you really don't like it. I did remove a couple things. I am excited about a couple of things in the box. I've really been looking forward to doing this unboxing. It doesn't seem like athleisure to me, but that doesn't mean I'm not gonna like things in it. So I'm really looking forward to trying everything on. So if you have never had Trunk Club, it only costs 20 bucks. And everything comes individually packaged, which is kind of annoying, but good as well. So I'm gonna go open everything up, try it on an outfit, and I'll show you what I got. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the first outfit, and tell me what you think about this. I have been dying for a nice new wool jacket. I have like an old black wool jacket that I wore for work a lot, but I haven't gotten anything recently, and I either want camel or gray. Is this the gray, right? It's really high quality. It's Madewell, and I kind of am digging on it. Now, here's the question. It's absolutely big, but is it meant to be kind of oversized? It has great lining, right? Inside pocket, but it's big, right? It's big. Is it meant to be like that, or would you size down? Like the style, what do you think? I feel like it's meant to be oversized, but tell me what you think, because I'm kind of new at this stuff. So this was the thing that I was really excited to get, actually. Tell me, yeah. I kind of like it. I'm just not sure on the sizing and the fit. Okay, so then the next thing is this sweater. It's real thin, but I can't decide the color. It's called like hot red. It's really almost a hot pink color. It looks pink to me, but it says hot red. And I like the fit a lot. I don't know if I love the color, but the fit and the fabric are great. I think it's Halogen, and I think the price was good. I'll put it down below. I'll also put all the outfits and descriptions and prices down in this description as well, so take a look there. Okay, then I have these jeans, and I got white jeans in my last box too. I'm like, what's going on with white jeans now? It just doesn't seem the right season, but maybe I'm old school. Like, you can wear white jeans anytime. It's true, but it's muddy and wet outside. I'm in Seattle. It's not white jean season. These are, what are they called? Like boot cut, straight leg, I don't know, crop, raw edge. I don't know. I don't think they're that flattering on me. Tell me what you think. They're really comfy and really stretchy, maybe almost too stretchy, like they have a little bit too much give. I feel like they would stretch out a bit too much. I do like the distressing on them, and I do like the raw hem, and I'm a beginner at this like crop straight leg thing, but these aren't bad, and I like where they hit on my feet or on my legs. What do you think? All right, yeah, give me the rundown. What do you think about the jacket? This stuff's okay, but what about the jacket? All right, let me go try on the next outfit. Okay, here's the next outfit, and I put this on for my husband, and he's like, ooh, sexy cat burglar. Boys. Okay, so I do think this is a really flattering shirt. It's a little thin. You can kind of see my bra through it a little bit, but it's really flattering. It's just a long sleeve t-shirt, but it's super soft and flattering and lovely. So if you need something like this, I think the price is good. Oh, again, I'll put it down below. I have something like this already, but actually maybe it's a V-neck. Maybe I need a crew neck. Need. We don't talk about need here. Okay, so what I do need are these jeans. So my journey to Madewell jeans has been rough. and arduous. Everybody says Madewell jeans are amazing, they're amazing, and I put them on. I put on so many pairs and they're not amazing. And I thought, well, they're just not for my body type, right? Tell me I'm wrong. These are great. I see fuzz on them. They're black, but they have more of a gray wash. They're skinny. They're high-waisted. They fit great. They're stretchy. I'm kind of digging on these, okay? Tell me what you think. Depends on the price. I could use another pair of a washed denim, black denim. It's a cute outfit. It's flattering, it's nice. Okay, the last thing are these boots, and they're Dolce Vita. They're in a taupe. In hindsight, I should have tried them on with the last outfit. They don't look amazing with this one. Don't be so judgy, but they're still cute. I'll hold them up so you can get a closer look. I find that this light taupe color is really hard to match with. And you think it should go with everything. It's like skin colored almost. But I find that I don't go for them very much. And they tend to look grungy quick too. So I'm not sure they're right for me, but they're really cute. They're cute. All right, let me go try on the next outfit. Okay, here's the last outfit. And you know the black shirt that I just tried on with the black jeans? I got this same shirt in white. A white long sleeve t-shirt, same brand, everything. I also got this white long sleeve t-shirt. So I'm not sure what's going on over there at Nordstrom's, but I got two long sleeve white t-shirts. So I don't know what that's all about. Okay, but this is the only athleisure outfit in the box, so I'll take it. I do like this neckline more than the other one. It was more crew, and I like this one's a little bit lower, gives more style. It's a tiny bit see-through, but not bad. And it's not as soft as the other one, but it's still a really nice fabric. And then they sent these Zella leggings, which I am not a leggings wearer in real life. I work out in leggings, and then I put on joggers to casually lounge around my house and work and do other things. This is how I work. This is how athleisure works in my world. I also have a really hard time with pattern leggings because I think there's a lot of motion going on and it gets a little overwhelming. But I think the colors in this are really cute and the pattern is not overwhelming. Tell me what you think. I have some other Zella leggings and they're really nice. They're a little bit thicker, and so especially during the winter it's kind of nice to put them on there snugly. They're not too tight. They're nice. Tell me what you think of the pattern and the color. Yeah, I think that they could be okay. I could deal with this, and it's not like I'm going to a gym anywhere, for goodness sakes. Okay, so also I got these Nikes and they're kind of adorable. They have like this fun point on the back that's like a fin. I don't know what that's all about, but Nike, you're crazy. I think these are super fun. Because I'm wearing a lot of things that Nikes would go with right now, and maybe worth it to get some new ones. Okay, I'll show them up close so you get a better look at them. Tell me what you think about this outfit. Let's go through prices and make some decisions. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, I think that was a pretty good box. Even though it wasn't really athleisure, I really did like a lot of things in it. So that's good news and bad news because I have to make a decision. Okay, so the one thing that I really, really love about Nordstrom's Trunk Club is that they will give you sale prices, right? Not just that they send you sale items, but as you have the box, if the price goes down, it'll update it on the app and you'll get that price. So just because they send you prices in the box, they could be lower than that, and that's the case in some of my items. So that's really fun. I love that. Okay, so the white frame jeans were $135. They're 101. They weren't a great fit, and I don't really need new white jeans, so they're probably a no. This red neon sweater, it was really cute. It's down from $59 to $44.25. I think that's a great price. I just wasn't in love with the color. And maybe if I was going to work and I could wear it under a blazer, just wear it with some slacks, it'd be a yes, but I didn't really love the color too much pink for me. Okay, so here's the big news. So this jacket, which just feels like amazing quality by Madewell. I just have to look again so that I'm not losing my mind. It was listed on the website at like $285. They sent it to me costing $107.20. It is now $80. It's like a sign. It's like the clouds have parted and said, Shawna, get this jacket. Am I wrong? Am I wrong? Tell me I'm wrong. Tell me I'm wrong. I shouldn't get this jacket for $80. You tell me. I'll listen. I'll listen. I haven't made a decision yet. Okay. So the last thing, well, I should have worn it with the first outfit, are these Dolce Vita boots, and I really did think these were very cute. Again, this color I find really hard to match with. I don't know why. It's just probably me. The price is $140. I liked them. They're great. They're super cute. They're comfortable. Just not quite for me. Okay, so the next outfit are the two Halogen long sleeve shirts, and they're $39. So, I mean, I think that's an okay price, and I just didn't really need them. Okay, but I really loved these stretchy black Madewell jeans, and they are $135, which is about what I thought it would be. They're not cheap jeans, but man, I really like them. Tell me if they're bad. Tell me if they're not good, if they're not worth it. Okay, I have a yes pile going. It has the jeans in it, and it has the jacket in it. Okay, so the last outfit is the athleisure outfit, and it has the Nikes. Okay, it has like a little fin. Look at that. They're real cute. I could wear these with lots of things, and they're so comfortable. Nikes, you're fun. Okay, so those are $80.40. That is not a bad price. That's a sale price. I really like those. Those are gonna go in the maybe pile. Okay. The Zella leggings are $79, which is about what I thought they would be. They're steep. You can definitely find cheaper leggings, but they're really a pretty fabric and color and fit great. So my maybe pile is getting too big. Okay, so then the last thing is this Caslon, a little bit wider neck, long sleeve t-shirt, which I really liked, and it's only $25. $25. Why not? Why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you get that? Okay, so that's in the yes pile too. That's never gonna do. I don't know, you guys are gonna have to help me. Tell me what I should get. I really liked everything in the yes pile, but tell me if you think something's not worth it. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel and would like to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel, hitting the bell for notifications every time I post new videos. And I'll put my referral code down below if you ever want to give Trunk Club a try. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.